Morning, all ma. Yeah, hope all are doing well. Yes or no? Yes. So today we are going to deal with the topic business. Okay. So business is a very familiar term nowadays. I think so, irrespective of any stream. Yes or no? Stream ante enti, irrespective of arts, commerce, management or sciences, business is a common term nowadays. Okay. So now in today's class we are going to study about the business ma. Business, okay? Yeah. So here, the term business means what? Any idea about it? The term business means being busy. So business person will be always busy, no? So they won't have any Sundays, they won't have any holidays, they won't have any festivals. But rarely they'll take a holiday. Yes or no? Yeah. So rarely they'll take a holiday and they'll be very much busy comparing to we people who are doing the official work, isn't it? So the person who is doing a normal office work comparing to the business people are very busy. And normally the person, the main aim of doing a business is to earn the profit. Profit in a? Yes. To earn the profit, we are doing the business. So, our main aim is to not to earn the profit always. Our main aim should not be always to earn the profit. It should be also a service oriented. Okay, it should be service oriented. So here the profit means normally whenever we see or if we hear the word the business means it will be always profit only. Okay, so here we will divide this business into economic and non-economic activities. Economic and non-economic activities. Okay, now coming to the word economic. So economic activities are those activities where you can earn the profit. Okay, so we'll have the one example. For example, a mother is cooking a food at home. Yeah, a mother is cooking a food at home. Will he get the money? No. But same mother, if he opens the tiffin center and he earns the money, then that activity is known as the economic. That means this activity you can take both for the economic and non-economic. When a mother is preparing a food at home, it is a non-economic. Endukante double rav akkada. Isn't it? That's a non-economic. But when she opens the tiffin centers and if she prepares the food, it becomes as a economic. Okay, now you got the differences between economic and non-economic activities. Okay, and you can take the more examples for the non-economic activities also, like a priest who will do services in the temple. So will he think that he'll be getting a profit? No, he's just rendering the services. So that you can take it as a non-economic activities. And in the same way, the person who is rendering services in the charitable institutions or any NGOs or any self-help groups, all comes under the non-economic activities. Okay, and the person who is doing the work, like for example me, I'm who ma? I'm a teacher. So a teacher, when she teaches in the college, what I'll get back? I'll get a salary. Okay, so that salary you can take it as a economic. I'm taking a salary. I'm taking some profit. Okay, so same thing when I'm teaching to my child, it is known as a non-economic. Nakevar double ivar kada akkada. Okay na? Now you got a clarity between economic and non-economic activities. Okay na? So business activities are divided into economic and non-economic activities. Okay. So now the next comes in this economic activities you'll be having professions. You will be having employment. Okay. So what do you mean by profession? Profession means it is a particular skill where you will be well trained and well skilled. For example, you can take a doctor, lawyer, teacher, okay, or beautician. Fill in the specific ప్రొఫెషనల్ అనమాట. ఇప్పుడు నవేడేస్ అన్ని కోర్సెస్ ప్రొఫెషనల్ అయిపోయాయి కదా, హోటల్ మేనేజ్మెంట్ కూడా ప్రొఫెషనల్ కోర్స్. సో వీటిలన్నిటికీ యూ కెన్ టేక్ ద ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఆఫ్ ద ప్రొఫెషనల్స్. ఓకే, దట్స్ ద ప్రొఫెషనల్. అండ్ హూ ఇస్ ద ఎంప్లాయర్ హియర్? Employee is the person who is giving employment to you. Okay, on what basis he will give you the employment to you? Depending on the qualification. Yes or no? Can I call anybody and give the job for them? No, depending on my requirement and what education they are having, depending on that I'll be giving a employment to them. Okay ma? So now you got a variation between this profession and employment. ప్రొఫెషన్ అంటే ఏంటి, ఎంప్లాయ్మెంట్ అంటే ఏంటి తెలుసా? ఇంకా కొన్ని ఇన్ సమ్ టైప్ ఆఫ్ బిజినెస్ ఆల్సో దేర్ ఇస్ నో రిక్వైర్డ్ ఆఫ్ ఎనీ క్వాలిఫికేషన్, isn't it? But in some professional business the qualification is must. Okay ma? Yeah. Now coming to the, so we have learned what we have learned. We have learned what is the business, what are the businesses divided into economic and non-economic activities. And again this, in the business activities we are having professional activity and employment. So now we will see in the business different types of in the business we'll be having so many types. So we have learned 2 types, and under that also we have learned the category. So business is nothing but exchange of goods from one place to the other place. So we'll see the here word trade. Okay, trade. Trade is nothing but exchange of goods from one place to another place. Yeah. So who will do this all role? A commerce will play a role. Okay, commerce will play that role which transfers the goods from one place to the other place, that is from the manufacturer to the ultimate customers. Okay, so here what things we require to transfer from one place to another place? We require industry. Industry is a place where you manufacture all the products, where the raw material is converted into finished goods. Okay, so you are converting, you are making a process at the industry level. So after processing, what you will do? Where you will keep the goods? You will keep the goods in the storehouse. Yes or no? Yeah. Storehouse means what? It's a warehouse where you will store the goods. So will you store the goods for whole year there only? For storing the goods did you manufacture? No. You have stored the goods until the demands comes for you. Until the demands comes for you, you are storing the goods over there. And whenever the demands comes, you will transfer the goods from one place to the other place. So transportation is also done by commerce. Okay, transportation is also done by commerce. And in order to do the business also we require the finance. So finance also who is doing? The banker is doing a finance role, where it is providing a finance to start a business. So this all comes under the trade and aids to trade. Okay, aids to trade is nothing but where whatever the things happens from one place to the other place, whatever the role they play is known as a commerce. Okay, and again the industry. So under the industry also we are having types of industry ma. Can anybody see any types of industry? We are having primary industry and secondary industry. So what are the primary industry? Primary industry is that where the real thing starts, from where you will extract the things. For example, you want to extract the oil. From where you will extract the oil? From the sea. Okay, that is the primary. Now coming to the secondary, from the sea you are making into multiple process, that is the secondary. So in this way we are having so many types of industry, like genetic industry, synthetic industry, analytic industry, and so on. So overall, whatever the things you are transferring from one place to another place, the commerce will play the important role. Okay ma? So hope so you have followed this topic today. Thank you.